emerging as one of the fastest growing economies in Asia. Once struggling under the weight of post-war recovery and exclusionary economic policies, Vietnam redefined itself in the modern era and has emerged as a rising industrial and technologic hub, drawing comparisons to Japan due to its manufacturing prowess, growing middle class, and expanding influence in global markets. The turning point for Vietnam came in 1986, with the introduction of the Doi Moi reforms. Recognizing the limitations of a centrally planned economy that wasn't working in the global economy, the government initiated market-oriented policies that encouraged private enterprise, foreign investment, and integration into global trade networks. These reforms, while starting off slow, eventually led to decades of consistent economic growth, transforming Vietnam from an agrarian and poor society into a dynamic industrial economy. One of the most significant aspects of Vietnam's rise is its booming manufacturing sector. The country has become a key player in global supply chains, attracting multinational companies looking for alternatives to China. Major corporations such as Samsung, Intel, and Nike have established large-scale operations in Vietnam, benefiting from its competitive labor costs, improving infrastructure, and strategic location in Southeast Asia. This shift has fueled the rapid growth of industrial zones in cities like Ho Chi Minh City, Hanoi, and Da Nang. Vietnam has also been seen as one of the few winners in the ongoing trade war and trade negotiations between the United States and China. As American companies have sensed unease in their ability to safely and cheaply export manufactured goods out of China, more have turned to Vietnam as an alternative. Beyond manufacturing, Vietnam has also made significant strides in its tech sector, positioning itself as a future leader in innovation and digital transformation. The country has seen the rise of homegrown tech companies, including FPT Corporation and VNG, which are competing on regional and global levels. Additionally, Vietnam has ventured into high-tech manufacturing, with its own homegrown car company, VinFast, leading the charge in electric vehicle production. VinFast aims to compete with international automakers, exporting electric cars to North America and Europe, signaling Vietnam's ambitions in the global automotive industry. And because of the increase in manufacturing and the rise of Vietnam's homegrown tech companies, the overall amount of money within the country is increasing. In 2024, Vietnam had a GDP of $466 billion, making it the 33rd largest economy in the world. But just 20 years prior, in 2004, Vietnam had a GDP of just $45 billion.